On today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable grid lines on your iPhone. Okay, so first of all, open your settings app on your device and now scroll down until you find camera. Okay, so tap it and inside of this camera settings, scroll down and now you're gonna see this grid option right here. So toggle it on and you are done. Okay, and now when you open your camera app, you will notice these horizontal lines and vertical lines. Okay, so if you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab.